Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Fears, and today I will be making a video on how I found the way and how to use the activity monitor on my Apple MacBook Pro. So I first started off by just using the search engine Google to how to open the activity monitor, and it gave me a shortcut for command space, and I just type in activity. Well, it shows up right there. Activity monitor. Oh, I gotta finish it. Yep. And it brings it up right here for me. The site is actually very informative because it describes within every tab what's going on and what the activity monitor is showing me. I already got it open right here. And with me opening it, it has the tabs for my CPU, my memory, my energy being used, the disk space, and my network usage. It's showing now that Firefox is taking up most of my CPU, how long it's been going for, like a total of 3 hours almost. It shows me what is taking up the most memory at this moment. This level right here, this space, the site describes to me that it's about wrong space. Oop. What is taking up the most memory at the moment, and if it's green, it's showing that it's sufficient memory is available, and red meaning that I have ran out of RAM, and yellow meaning borderline, so I'm getting close. Right now, with nothing too much going on, I'm at green, but I will open up a YouTube video, see if I can get something going. Check out a supercharged car, see how much that does. Let me just mute this. And while that's going in the background, a little bit more memory is being used. Check my CPU. My CPU seems fine. Doesn't seem to be taking or slowing down in any type of way. Right now there is no energy impact, I guess, at the moment. Oh, never mind. Showing up now, loading up. And which programs or applications are taking up the most of my energy right now? Which programs and applications running are getting the most data ran through them, and which programs and applications are using the most of my network. This is very informative because before I just kind of knew to go to the search bar right here, but I didn't know I could have a shortcut to open it up. And it's very useful because also, like, along with being able to open it up, it gives me the ability to turn the icon into my CPU usage. It gives me a monitor to show my activity, so I don't have to be constantly looking down here at bars I haven't figured out well enough yet. Oh, if I can find that. see. Oh well, like a little mini player for my CPU usage, and also my CPU history. A lot of cool things that I never noticed before about it at all. It is very useful. This site, extremely helpful, including the chapter to be able to show me how I can be able to open this and recognize really like what's going on and be able to control it with knowing what's going on. Let me close these. And that's about it. That's about it. Thank you. And again, this is my video on finding out about my activity monitor and what all it shows for me, what all I have recognized and learned that it can show to me.